Hello, welcome to Graceful Grammar Lessons. This lesson will cover the words there, and there. There, and there are three homophones in English, which means they have the same pronunciation but different meanings and spellings. Let's look at each one individually. There is a possessive pronoun that shows ownership. It is used to indicate that something belongs to a group of people or individuals. For example, can you please ask the team to submit their reports by the end of the day? Have you seen their new office space? It's quite impressive. Their car is parked in the driveway. There is a contraction of they are. It combines the pronoun they with the verb are. It is used to describe a group of people or individuals performing an action. For example, can you let me know if they're available for a quick call later today? Is there a specific reason why they're arriving late to the meeting? They're going to the movies tonight. There is used to indicate a place or location. It is also used to introduce a subject or highlight the existence of something. For example, there seems to be a misunderstanding between them and the client. Can you help resolve it? Is there a specific reason why they're arriving late to the meeting? The bookstore is over there. Think of there as indicating a place or position. If you can replace it with here in a sentence, there is likely the right choice. If you can replace there with they are, and the sentence still makes sense, then there is the correct choice. Think of there as showing that something belongs to them. If you can replace there with his or her in the context of the sentence, there is likely correct. To summarize, there shows possession and indicates that something belongs to a group. There is a contraction of they are and is used to describe a group in action. There refers to a place, introduces a subject, or highlights the existence of something. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so we can let you know when we upload.